quite jungle fever, more of a forest cold. It's my slight tan against your angel soft dark skin.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Anyways, today we are going to be making my gut health drinks that I drink daily to keep my gut healthy and to keep my gut slim like a gym. Anyways, so start with the beet juice. The beet juice, obviously it's beets. I have all of my veggies and my greens and everything that I'm going to be using right here. Our beet juice is for debloating, it's for glowy skin, and it's for a detox. The beet juice is beets, carrots, apples, green apples, and an orange. Let's get started. And ginger. I have my cutting board. I just think it's very important that you take care of your body from the inside out, because everything that you eat, everything that you put in your body, it's going to show up. It's going to show up on your face. It's going to show up on your skin. It's going to show up on your ass, your stomach, like whatever you eating. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not saying that you can't eat your snacks that you love, your stuff from here and there, but you want to get the best out of this life, right? So you want to put the most in your body that's going to help nourish you, help give you energy, help keep you focused. You know what I mean? And vegetables will help and keep you focused. I love being healthy. I love being healthy. I love teaching health. I love teaching fitness. I love teaching just being the best version of yourself. And being the best version of yourself requires you to change your old habits. It requires you to step away from things that once served you that do not serve you anymore to get to a better plateau, a higher plateau. This is always so fucking tasty. It's so good and it's healthy. Next up, we have the ginger shots, which consist of ginger, orange, and lemon. The ginger shot helps with digestion, bloating, boosting your immunity. That's also a daily shot too. Let's get it cracking.
Officially done making my gut health drinks. In the ice trays, I have my turmeric drink, which on the screen has all the ingredients. And that is it for today, you guys. Thank you for tuning in and watching. I love you all. Blessings. Mwah.